How to create material requisition slip in Businet. Users can create material requisition slip against requisition type such as external issue, internal issue, and sample issue, along with source type, direct or production order. In case of internal issue, users need to select source type and requirement area. They can also replicate previously created MRS, and all the items will be populated where the users can input the requisition quantity and can also view the available stock of the selected items. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.